Good morning, students. This is our conversation class. In conversation class, we are going to revise chapter number 9. Where is my school bag? Which chapter? Chapter number 9. Where is my school bag? Okay, what I have already told in this chapter, we are going to listen to talk, how to talk about the common places. Okay, then how to follow a direction, then how to ask for direction and give direction. Okay, and some word that sound D, G, N, P, T and U for your practice, phonic practice. Okay, so in page number 67 there is a song. Okay, you listen and you sing. Okay, next turn the page number B1. What I had told you, that this is the in this given, Rima is saying how she goes to her school. She is saying the direction. Okay, that how she is saying the direction, you should also learn the direction. Okay, so what she is saying, that she lived very close to her school and every day she goes to school by her bicycle, by riding her bicycle. Okay, so how she has explained that how she goes to school, there is a picture in your book. Okay, see here, Rima is standing here. Now how she is saying, first from his house gate, main gate, she goes straight to the junction. Okay, straight to the junction, where there is a junction, and there she stop and turn left. Turn left. In the left side there is a medical shop. Okay, in the left side there is a medical shop. So how she is saying, first I go straight from my gate and stop at the junction, and from there she turn left where there is a medical shop, and then she go again straight. Okay, and there by going straight there is a hospital. In that hospital she turn, from that hospital she turn right. Okay, from that hospital she turn right. By turning right, by going few meter, a kilometer, by going few kilometer, her school is there. Okay, within few minutes her school comes. So this is how she goes to school. Okay, done. Okay, next how to describe places where they are. Okay, how to describe places. Suppose somebody asks, where is this? You can say it is next to that, it is opposite to that, it is near to that, it is there. So for that some example is given. Here is some matching. You have to listen the this recording. Okay, you have to listen the track. While listening this, then you can make the matching. The office is near the playground. The canteen is near the sick room. The toilet is next to the dance class. The library is opposite the teacher's room. Okay, done? This is, you have to learn. You do this matching and you learn it. Okay, next come how, if somebody asks you, where is this room, then how you will say, this is next to the, or this is near the, it is opposite to, whatever it is. Okay, here given some thing, library, canteen is not there and dance room is there, and bookshop is there. No, not there, sorry. We will study only library and dance room. So if somebody asks you, where is your library? Or where is the dance room? Or where is the library? What you will say? It is next to the office. It is next to the office. Okay? Or it is near the office. Both are correct. It is next to the office or it is near to the office. Next one. Next one. Next one. Where is the dance room? What you will say? The dance room is near the lower nursery classroom. What you will say? The dance room is near the lower nursery classroom. Understand? This done. Then turn the page. Here are some question answers that you have to learn. I make you revise in the class also. Where are the children? They are in the classroom. Where are the children? They are in the classroom. Where is their teacher? He is in the library. He is in the library. Okay? Then, where are the notebooks? Where are the notebooks? They are in the cupboard. They are in the cupboard. Next, where are the lunch boxes? They are on the shelf. They are on the shelf. Done? Then come to the next D1. Here see, this is a tongue twister. This is for your fun. Okay? You listen and practice at home. Okay, now this is the words. You have to read the words and you have to pay attention what sound they produce. M-U-T, mud, B-U-D, bud, mud, bud. Then B-U-G, bug, D-U-G, duck, bug, duck. Then B-U-N, bun, sun, fun, none. Bun, sun, fun, none. Okay? Then cup, pup, cap, tap. Cup, pup, cap, tap. Okay? Then butt, cut, hut, nut. Butt, cut, hut, nut. Then here you have to say these words. Up, uncle, under, umbrella. Okay? Up, uncle, under, umbrella. Understand? You sound, you know, up, umbrella, uncle, under. Okay? Now next, you have to circle the odd sound word. That is duck, bud, mud. Duck is different. Then circle it. Then lug, mug, struck. So lug and mug, struck is different. Circle it. Then run, bug, sun. Run and sun. Bug is different. Circle it. Cup, fun, pup. Fun is different. Circle it. Bus, butt, cut. Bus is different. Circle it. Okay? This is given. So learn this word, how to read. Learn this word, how to read. Then turn the page. Here are some pictures are given. You have to say where they are. Okay, suppose I ask, where is the blackboard? You will say, it is on the wall. It is on the wall. Or you can say, it is near the door. Or it is next to the door. Or it is near the door or it is next to the door. Both are correct. Where is the duster? The duster is under the blackboard. The duster is under the blackboard. Okay? Next, where are the notebooks? The notebooks are on the table. The notebooks are on the table. Understand? Next, where is the pencil? The pencil is on the desk. The pencil is on the desk. Understand? Next. Okay. Where is the bag? You can say it is on the floor. It is on the floor. Or you can say it is near the or next to the desk. Okay. Then where is the flower vase? You can say it is on the cupboard. It is on the cupboard. Then where are the crayons? The crayons are on the cupboard. Or the flower vase is near the window. Or the crayons are near the window. Okay? You can use this. And in the last, it has been mentioned that what thing you like, the toy, the thing you like, and where you keep it. Okay? Where you keep it. Now tell your friends where you keep your favorite thing in your room. Suppose your favorite thing is teddy bear. Okay? Then what? How you will say? Like the boy is saying, I like my cars. Okay? Then he say, I kept my car on the shelf. Okay? Like that you will say. I like my teddy bear. This is an example I am giving. I like my teddy bear. I kept on the bed. Okay, I like my ball. I kept under the bed. I kept it under the bed. Or I like my toys. I kept it in a box. I kept, okay. I keep it in the box. I keep it in the box. Okay. So like this you have to practice. You have to say your favorite thing. My favorite, I like ball, or my favorite thing is ball, and I keep it in my cupboard or in the box or under the table or under the bed, whatever. So like this you have to learn. You have to say by yourself your favorite thing and then where you keep it. Understand? This is whole chapter. I have revised you. Okay, revise the whole chapter, chapter number 9. You go through it, read it and learn it. Okay, students? Today's teaching over. Thank you, students.